Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can install and set up VirtualBox on your Windows 11 computer. Okay, first we need to download VirtualBox. So you can download from virtualbox.org or .org. In here, click on the download button, then choose your version. So because we are using Windows, so we're going to select Windows host. So click on that and it will download your application down to your computer. Okay, so click on the executable file and then we click on next. Click on I accept the terms and click on next. And in here we're going to leave it as the default, or you can change the path. Choose where you want to install your VirtualBox. So select the location. You can leave it as the default if you like. Then here we click on next and then click on yes. It said here network disconnection during the installation of VirtualBox. Networking, your network will be disconnected, so just click on yes. And then here it said missing dependency. So when you see this, so you can install and configure this later. So just click on yes and then click on next and then click on install, and it will go ahead and install VirtualBox. Okay, after that, click on the finish button and straight away it should launch Oracle VirtualBox Manager. Now in here you can create a new VirtualBox. So click on the new button and then you'll be able to install the new operating system in the virtual machine. So here at the top you can give it a name. For example, if you want to name it Windows 11 Pro, we give it in Windows 11 Pro. Give the VM folder path. So choose where you want to store this virtual machine. So choose a location, and then here we got ISO image file, and we got OS editions. Here select the ISO file, the image. So you need to download the image file. If you're installing Windows 11, then you can download it from directly from Microsoft. So select other and then choose where you want where you have your ISO file. So load up the ISO file in this here. Here you can choose ISO. Once you load the ISO, then you can choose the edition. And here, if you click on it, you can install Windows, Linux, IBM, Mac OS X, and other. Then you choose OS version. So here I've got the OS version, and then you can just click on next. Also, there is an option called proceed with unattended installation. So once you have selected your ISO, you can select proceed with unattended installation. Then just simply click on next, and from here you can choose the base memory, the number of CPU you want to assign to this virtual machine. You can assign how much memory you want to use with this virtual machine. After, click on next, and then finally review the summary before you click on the finish button, and we'll go ahead and create the virtual machine. And once it is created, you can see over here, then you can click on the start button. Upon clicking on the start button, it will load up the ISO into memory and start your virtual machine. Now once you boot up your virtual machine, this is what it looks like on the startup screen. Now because we did not assign any ISO, so it cannot be installed. This is why we are seeing this error right here. I will just simply close this for now. Now there are settings over here. If you click on settings, there is basic and expert mode. This will allow you to customize your VirtualBox machine. So here we've got generals. You can set the VM name. You can set the system. It checks the system motherboard and processor, what you have on, and what you can assign to VirtualBox. You got display here, settings for display, storage, audio, networking, USB settings and share folders. You can share folders from your actual physical machine to the virtual machine. Okay, so that is the settings there. And that's it. So that's how you can install and set up your VirtualBox. And if you, after you have successfully installed your virtual machine, you can take a snapshot of it. So using the snapshots features is very useful. So let's say after you have finished installing Windows 11 and install all your required software, you can then take a snapshot, so that after that, if your machine get a virus or if you mess up your virtual machine, you can always return to the clean slate state by using snapshot. So this is a very handy features to use. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.